the steps are actually in the mud. And it looks dry on top. He was going straight across it. I can't believe it sunk the way that it did, but he's way in there. The digger is not stuck. It's sunk a little bit on the right side wings, but that's the big thing. So we're going to have to pull everything backwards.
All right, boys. Oh boy. Come on, baby. Come on, she's coming. Come on. Come on. This is crazy. This is totally crazy. Wow, that is super good. Man, you want to see where that baby was buried, guys? Look at that hole. 4 feet deep. All this mud. That is unbelievable. Totally unbelievable.